Stay informed, darlings.
Well, we've seen the president appear to rest his eyes when someone is talking directly to him, and that is distinctly abnormal. It's unusual to be surrounded by people in the Oval Office and you fall asleep. We know the president is up late at night using social media. That's not really in question. And it may be something as simple as he just has poor sleep hygiene. When we're trying to get people to sleep better, we tell them not to do any work in the bedroom, to put down their phones, try and get a consistent time to go to sleep. The president has incredible demands on his time. He's almost 80 years old, and even more reason for the president to get some rest. Insomnia is a dangerous thing for an older person. It increases the risk of cardiac events. It increases hypertension. It increases the risk of dementia and depression. And often when an older person doesn't feel right, one of the first questions we ask them is, tell me about your sleep. How much sleep are you getting? And if you've ever seen an older person in a hospital where it looks like they're losing it, it's often because it's very hard to sleep in hospitals. So every American should want this president to work efficiently. And what's also interesting is that in many of these yearly physical exams, much of this evaluation is done in advance of the day where the president actually goes to Walter Reed. So we should have a readout about this pretty soon. Often his labs are pre-tested. So the White House often can generate a readout very quickly. One other interesting thing I noted was when the president, when he was leaving Walter Reed, posted on social media that he had a perfect physical. He called it his 6-month physical. So I guess, what we're changing now from as a routine yearly physical for a president to, I guess, perhaps as a nod to his age. It looks like this president will undergo a 6-month cycle for evaluations.
But when I'm thinking of someone who's almost 80, I would think of a little dozing off here or there to maybe be kind of normal.
Nigga!